Part 14, Exercise 1.1, Question number 10. Arrange the following rational numbers in ascending and descending order. So, what is the problem given here? So, there is an rational numbers. We have to arrange the rational numbers in ascending order as well as the descending order. So, what is the ascending order? Arranging the rational numbers from small to big. That is the ascending order. So, descending order means arranging the rational numbers from big to small. So, that is the descending order. So, what is the first subdivision? The first subdivision is an minus 5 by 12, minus 11 by 8, minus 15 by 24, minus 7 by minus 9 and then 12 by 36. So, for arranging the rational number, first we have to check the denominator, whether all the numbers are equal. So, here the denominators are different. So, we have to find the LCM for the denominator. So, the LCM for 12, 8, 24, 9 and 36 is. So, the common factor for 12, 8, 24, 9 and 36 is a 4. So, 4 3s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 6 4s are 24. So, there is no factor for 9. So, you have to write 9 as it is. Then 9 4s are 36. Again, now we are having the common factor for 3, 6 and 9. So, the common factor for 3, 6 and 9 is a 3. So, 1 3s are 3. So, you have to write 2 as it is. Then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Again, now we have to find the factor for 2. The factor for 2 is a 2 itself. So, 1 2s are 2. Now, we can find the factor for 3. So, factor for 3 is 3 itself. So, 1 3s are 3. So, now we can find the LCM. So, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 and 24 into 3 is a 72. So, the LCM of 12, 8, 24, 9 and 36 is 72. Now, we have to make the denominators are equivalent to 72. So, for the first rational number, what is the first rational number? Minus 5 by 12. So, here the denominator is a 12. So, we have to make the denominator 12 into 72. So, for that I am going to multiply numerator and denominator by 6. So, minus 5 into 6 is minus 30. Then 12 into 6 is 72. The second rational number is minus 11 by 8. So, here the denominator is 8. I have to convert the denominator into 72. So, I have to multiply numerator and denominator by 9. So, minus 11 into 9 divided by 8 into 9. So, 11 into 9 is 99. So, plus into minus is minus. So, minus 99 by 72. So, the third rational number is minus 15 by 24. Here the denominator is 24. We have to make the denominator equivalent to 72. So, I have to multiply numerator and denominator by 3. Minus 15 into 3 divided by 24 into 3. So, 15 into 3 is 45. 45 by 72. And then the fourth rational number is minus 7 by minus 9. So, here the denominator is minus 9. So, I have to convert the denominator into 72. So, up and down I have to multiply by 8. Minus 7 into 8 divided by minus 9 into 8. So, here whenever I multiply 7 into 8 it is 56 and then denominator is 72. So, here minus and minus are cancelled. The answer is 56 by 72. And then last rational number is 12 by 36. Here the denominator is 36. We have to convert the denominator into 72. So, I am going to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. 12 into 2 divided by 36 into 2. 12 2s are 24 and 36 into 2 is 72. Now we have to compare the numerators. What are the numerators we get? We get the numerators are minus 30, minus 99, minus 45, 56 and 24. So if I want to convert the positive numbers are always greater than the negative numbers. So that is the first rule. And then second one is whenever I compare the two negative numbers, negative sign with the smallest number is the greater and and the negative sign with the greatest number is the smallest one. So that is the second rule. So now we have to compare. So first we have to write the positive values. So what are the positive values we are having? 56 and 24. So which one is greater? 56. So 56 is greater than 24. Next we have to compare the negative numbers. So the negative numbers with the smallest negative sign with the smallest number is the greater one. So the third greatest number is a minus 30, and then fourth greatest number is a minus 45, and fifth greatest number is a 99. So now you can write with the denominator. So 56 by 72 is greater than 24 by 72, and minus 30 by 72 is greater than minus 45 by 72, and minus 45 by 72 is greater than minus 99 by 72. So 56 by 72, which is equivalent to minus 7 by 9. So instead of 56 by 72, I can write minus 7 by minus 9, which is greater than, what is the second rational number? 24 by 72. So which is equivalent to 12 by 36. So instead of 24 by 72, I can write 12 by 36. And then what is the third rational number? Minus 30 by 72. Minus 30 by 72. Instead of that, I can write minus 5 by 12. The fourth rational number is minus 45 by 72. Instead of that, I can write minus 15 by 24. And then the last rational number is minus 99 by 72. Instead of that, I can write it as minus 11 by 8. Very first I will arrange the descending order. So what is the descending order? You have to arrange the number from big to small. Which is the biggest number? Minus 7 by 9 is the biggest number. And then second biggest number is 12 by 36. Third biggest number is minus 5 by 12. And then fourth biggest number is minus 15 by 24. And then last number is minus 11 by 8. And then ascending order means small to big. So that is the reverse format of the descending order. So first you have to write the smallest number. The first smallest number is minus 11 by 8. Second smallest number is minus 15 by 24. Third smallest number is minus 5 by 12. And then fourth smallest number is 12 by 36. And then fifth smallest number is minus 7 by 9. Next one is subdivision 2. Minus 17 by 10, minus 7 by 5, 0, minus 2 by 4, minus 19 by 20. So here also denominators are not equal, they are different. For that we have to find the LCM. So the LCM of 10, 5, 4 and 20 is. So first we have to find the common factor for 10, 5, 4 and 20. So for that first I took the factor as 5. So 2 5s are 10, 1 5s are 5. So there is no factor for 4. So you have to write the 4 as it is. Then 4 5s are 20. So now the common factor for 2 and 4 is 2. So 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1 and then 2 2s are 4. So again you have to find the factor for 2. The factor for 2 is 2 itself. So 1 2s are 2. Now we can find the LCM. So 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 2, 20. So the LCM for 10, 5, 4 and 20 is 20. Now we have to make the denominators are equivalent to 20. So what is the first rational number? The first rational number is minus 17 by 10. So here the denominator is 10. You have to make the denominator equivalent to 20. So for that I have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So minus 17 into 2 divided by 10 into 2. 17 into 2 is 34. So plus into minus is minus. 10 into 2 is 20. So the second rational number is minus 7 by 5. Here the denominator is 5. We have to change the denominator equivalent to 20. So I have to multiply numerator and denominator by 4. Minus 7 into 4 is minus 28. 5 into 4 is 20. Again, the third rational number is minus 2 by 4. So here the denominator is 4. I have to multiply numerator and denominator by 5. So minus 2 into 5 divided by 4 into 5. Minus into plus, minus 2 into 5 is 10. 4 into 5 is 20. So the last rational number is minus 19 by 20. So here the denominator is already 20. So no need to convert. You have to write the number as it is. Minus 19 by 20. Then we have to compare the numerators. So what are the numerators we have? The numerators are minus 34, minus 28, minus 19, minus 10 and 0. So here all the rational numbers are having the numerators as negative values. So in negative numbers, the negative sign with the smallest number is the greater one. Negative signs with the greatest number is the smallest one. So here the negative sign with the greatest number is 34. That 34 is which is lesser than minus 28. Minus 28 is less than minus 19. Minus 19 is less than minus 10. Minus 10 is less than 0. So now we can write with the denominator. So that can be written as minus 34 by 20 is less than minus 28 by 20, which is less than minus 19 by 20, which is less than minus 10 by 20, which is less than 0. So now we can write the ascending order. So ascending order means small to big. So the smallest rational number is minus 34 by 20. Instead of minus 34 by 20, I can write it as minus 7 by 10. So here minus 7 by 10 is equivalent to minus 34 by 20. Next, the second smallest number is minus 28 by 20. Instead of that, I can write it as minus 7 by 5. And then the third smallest number is minus 19 by 20. So in problem itself we are having minus 19 by 20. So we can write as it is. And then the fourth smallest number is minus 10 by 20. That can be written as minus 2 by 4. And the last one is 0. 0 is also a rational number because the 0 can be written as 0 by 1. And then descending order. Descending order means big to small. So always 0 is greater than the negative numbers. So first you have to grade the biggest rational number as 0. That can be written as 0 by 1. 0 is greater than minus 2 by 4, which is greater than minus 19 by 20, which is greater than minus 7 by 5, which is greater than minus 17 by 10.